Hi everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. In this video, we are going to learn about conditional statement in JavaScript, especially if, else if, and switch. These are super important because they allow your program to make decision instead of just running in a straight line. So why learn conditional statement? Imagine you are building a website. You may want to show a different message if the user is logged in or not, or you might calculate grade based on marks or display different outputs based on the day of week. So that's exactly where conditional statement comes in. They help us to run different code based on the conditions. So what are conditional statements? In JavaScript, conditional statements are used to check true or false condition. We mainly have four types: if else if, and switch. So let's understand each one with example. First one is the if statement. The if statement check a condition, and if that condition is true, it runs the code inside. For example, let's check whether it's a person is as an adult or not. Let age is equal to 18. If age is greater than 18, so it gives output as you are an adult, else there is no output. Let me show you in the VS Code. If I run this, so you are an adult. If I write 17 here, this gives no output here. If I write 20, this gives output you are an adult. So since age is 18, the condition is true, so it prints you are an adult, as we see. So next one is the if else statement. Now sometimes we want to show two possible outcomes. If the condition is true, do one thing, otherwise do something else. That's where if else comes. So let me show you in the VS Code directly here. If you see, let age is equal to 16. If age is greater than 18, write you are an adult. Else you give the you are a minor. If I run this given you are a minor because here age is 16. If I write 25, this give you are an adult. If I give 5, this give you are a minor. So this is how if else work. Next one is the else if statement. So what if we have multiple conditions, for example checking grades? That's where we use else if. Let me show you in the VS Code again. So in else if you see, let score is equal to 75. If score is greater than 90, console grade A. If score is greater than 60, console grade B. Else grade C. If I run this give grade B. If I write 96, this give grade A. If I just give this 6, this give grade C. And you can add many more like else if, a branch of this. Next one is a switch statement. So in switch, if we have situation many fixed choices, let me show you the practical one. Like choice using else if it can become messy. In such cases, we use a switch statement. Let day is equal to 3. If case is equal to 1, it gives Monday. Case 2, it gives Tuesday. Case 3, it gives Wednesday. Default is the invalid day. And we have to also give the break statement. If we do not give break here, this can run continue until the last statement. If you run this give Wednesday. If I write 1 here, this give Monday. If I remove the break here, now what? This give Monday and Tuesday also. If I remove the break from here, this give Wednesday also. If I also remove the break from here, this give invalid day. So that's why we have to apply the break statement here and break this here. And if I write 10 here, this give invalid day. So that's how this switch statement works here. The break keyword makes sure only one case runs here. And when writing condition, keep these tips in mind. Use if else for simple checks. Use switch for multiple options if you means when you have many fixed options. Always include a default in the switch statement and keep conditions clear and easy to read. So if for a single condition, if else for two-way decision, else if multiple for multiple conditions, switch cleaner when you have many options. And that's how conditional statement work in JavaScript. We learn how to use if else if and switch to control the flow of our program. If you find this helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to JD Codebase for more short and practical tutorials. In the next video we will continue with another important JavaScript topics, so stay tuned.